mom for pocket money and she gave me 50 rupees. I was like, अरे इससे क्या खरीदूंगी? Momos. But then yesterday I bought 50 rupees wala boots. Like
50 rupees wala boots.
You don't believe me? Then you should definitely watch till the end of this video, because this video, you guys, this video is the cheapest haul video that you can find today. I mean, it's not even in Sarojini Market. It's not, you don't have to travel to Delhi to get these things. If you are a resident of Guwahati, you can find it here itself. To know more about this, you have to stay till the end of the video now. So let's watch it. But yeah, before that, if you want to keep watching such content, if you want to keep knowing about such things, then like, share, subscribe to my channel.
Someone with me today, accompanying me in my shopping, and that's
okay.
Hi. Hey everyone.
Okay, not double check.
So we have reached Fancy Bazaar and it's quite crowded as usual, but we'll be going to the market now. Let's see what we find there, right? So this is the famous gully of Fancy Bazaar, which many people call as the Muslim market. Let's go and explore it.
लीटर 100 रुपए से लीटर 100 से लीटर 100
So hi you guys, I have come to the end of the video. Now I'll be showing you all the things that I bought, everything under 100 rupees as I promised. Let's go. This is the first pair that I got and look how pretty it is. I can pair it up with some Indian clothes, some kurtis, maybe even some saris for some occasions. And this one would easily go with some Indo-Western outfits, some kurtis and even jeans with, you know, some solid tops as well. So yeah, I think this one is really cool. This one I think would go with mainly Indian outfits, not much with modern, but don't you think this is pretty? I'm a big fan of big earrings, so if you're someone like me, then I think you're gonna love this pair. This is one of my favorite earrings. Like, I don't know, I just love the way it's crafted, the way it's designed. Just see, this thing makes my makes my face look very elongated, and I really love that. Okay, this is the last pair that I got, and it has this mirror work that is so trendy nowadays. And yeah, this marks the end of all the earrings that I got for this time. Let's move on to the next item. Okay, so the next item I got are, these two lip crayons, which I really like. I'll show you the colors. It's so subtle and so pretty. I got each one of these for only 100 bucks, and it's not even like a bad quality. Like, I used it and it glides so smoothly over my lips. Just see. One is like a coral peach color and one is a bit fuchsia pink, and yeah, I really like them. And the other thing that I got are these boots. These are like loafers and so cute, isn't it? And the next pair is also for 100 bucks. This is actually a bit blingy, but for the people who likes blingy, who likes to be extra AF, I think they can really wear it and, you know, rock it. The other pair is this other boots. Again, I'm obsessed with boots, it seems. This was also for 100 bucks only. And this pair, which is one of my favorites, this is olive green in color and really pretty, really amazing to wear with jeans. And now comes the most awaited boots, the ones that I got for 50 bucks, and I'm gonna show you that. These red boots that I got for only 50 bucks. Only 50 bucks, guys. I mean, you have to go to this sale. You have to be there to know how amazing it is. I mean, just go, okay? Sarojini birthday, Fancy Bazaar ja and enjoy and shop your heart out. For the next time, I'll be back soon. And if you want more videos of such things, let me know in the comment section. Bye bye. Thanks, Pyar.